At Phoebe Hearst Preschool in San Francisco, safety starts even before entering the building. Parents stand in line 6 feet apart. The use of hand sanitizer is encouraged after signing in. Children enter, parents never go in.
Stopping at the front door, temperature taking, parents no longer allowed into the building, all of us wearing masks.
It's 8:30 in the morning and each child stands inside a hula hoop with their supplies until it's time for their teachers to bring them into the classroom. This is preschool in times of COVID-19.
And I have to say the children act as though none of that mattered at all.
Inside the classroom, all of the desks are spread out and spaces clearly marked. Each child is allowed to only use his or her own supplies. Anything they share is immediately sanitized. Still, the preschool acknowledges that one of the biggest challenges continues to be reminding kids to social distance.
Arms length, kids, arms length.
Wherever we can have them social distance, we will. So eating, playing, if they're doing something individually, they have their own materials. So at that point, they can be apart. But running on the playground, no. They just want to be together.
With that said, have you had any cases of COVID?
We have not had any cases of COVID. None at all. And we've been open now almost 2 months.
Currently, the school has 50 kids. Teachers and staff have also remained COVID-free. Statewide, as of late July, California has seen a slight increase in infections. Still, less than 2% of child care facilities have reported any cases. And nationwide, there are almost no recorded cases of child-to-adult transmission of COVID-19.
Not shy.
That's not enough to convince Jen Kababe, a new mother who had every intention of sending baby Adela to childcare. Now she's weighing her options.
We have a very small apartment, but we're meeting with some nannies, just people that have been recommended through friends and things to see if we can work something out just part-time. I'll be teaching from home and my husband will be working from home, so.
Even if she wanted her baby to attend a child care facility, there's a real supply and demand issue in San Francisco. Of the nearly 1,000 sites in the city, only 600 are operating today. And the majority of them are running at half their normal capacity. This means less income and more expenses in order to comply with CDC guidelines. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. The deep cleaning process at Brilliant Kids Childcare and Preschool is set to begin. Wearing a mask and gloves and keeping our distance, we're there to witness the steps taken by Barbara Ng and her daughter Serena Sang to keep children virus-free.
Off the table. This table sit 4 kids and it's 1.
Every surface is sprayed. The tables are wiped down in one direction to keep from redepositing germs that they just wiped up.
So she goes from left to right.
The bathroom is thoroughly cleaned at the end of the day and every time a child uses it. So if they have 8 children going to the restroom twice a day, that's 16 times.
Half the time is spent cleaning and half the time is spent teaching.
Small programs like this one have lost nearly half of their daily attendance because of the pandemic. This is not sustainable long term because these facilities operate on razor-thin profit margins. Congress has provided some financial relief, and locally, Mayor London Breed's office has offered some short-term assistance, but it's simply not enough. Ng is hoping she can survive the financial hardship she now faces.
I will put the safety, health and safety in priority first.
Yes.
Even though I need, my economy is not that good, but I will do that first.
Early childhood programs that have reopened are doing it really, really well. And we feel very confident that we can continue to do that. So we're hoping that we'll be able to keep on going, and that way children are engaged, they're in a program in real time, and parents are able to work.